the unforgiving. All we have is all. You matter to me. You matter to me. You matter to me. You matter, you matter. You matter to me. You matter to me. You matter to me. You matter, matter. I never wanna see you cry, I only wanna see you shine. Whichever way you You matter, you matter. You matter to me. You're my brother, you're my sister, you're my friend. You matter to me. I'm so thankful you're here. You matter to me. You're my brother, you're my sister, you're my friend. Rebuild it from scratch. Talk to me, tell me everything. You know nothing about. You can always be crying. No breaks sometimes. Just let me be there for you. I'll always be there for you. Oh! You're my brother, you're my sister, you're my friend. I'm so thankful you're here. You're my brother.
No signal out here, my thoughts so I know it's what he say right now. If he had a choice, though I cannot tell, and I don't you know what's going on in your head, on in your head. I can't think what I want, can't feel what I feel until you say it's out loud. How will I know if it's real? I can't do what I like. Only for what it means. Some validation is all that I need. When it hushes you touch, but you can't know the pain, 'cause it's telling you things that make you sound insane, like they're calling you up, but it's not on the phone. It's all in your head. It's all in your head. The longer it takes for you to come into the signs, but that's what it says. It's just a matter of time before we're out of this place where we're no longer trapped. It's not in my head. It's not.